Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to explain what equity is and why it is important. Let's get started. Equity, in simple terms, is a financial term that represents the ownership or value of an individual, company, or organization's assets. It refers to the portion or stake you have in something, which is called your equity. For example, if you own a house and no one owes you money or you don't have any debts related to that house, then it is considered your equity. There are two main types of equity that are important to understand: owner's equity and shareholder's equity. Owner's equity refers to the value of assets you possess without any loans or liabilities. It is also known as equity capital. For instance, if you own a house without any mortgages or loans, that would be your owner's equity. Shareholder's equity, on the other hand, represents the ownership interest you have in a company or organization. When you buy shares of a company, you become a shareholder and your equity increases. Now, let's discuss why equity is important. It serves as a financial measure that demonstrates the financial stability and capability of an individual or organization. Equity acknowledges the value of an individual or organization's assets and sets them apart from others. Through equity, individuals or organizations can assess the feasibility of obtaining appropriate loans or investments to achieve their financial goals. So, in this video, we have explained to you what equity is in simple English. It is a financial measure that recognizes the value of assets and demonstrates financial stability and capability. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please let us know in the comments. We hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. See you next time.